Hi everyone, I wanted to talk to you about the Superfood. Some of you may be new to ELEMIS and not really know much about all the different ranges. This is one of ELEMIS's slightly newer ranges. It's actually vegan and it's perfect for everyone's skin type. A lot of men use these products as well as women, but it's perfect if you've got combination skin like me, if you've got sensitive skin, or if you're new to ELEMIS and you really just don't know where to start. A lot of people love these products because they have got loads and loads of fruits and grains and healthy products in them, such as broccoli and things like that, and wheatgrass, and they do actually smell really, really healthy. For anyone who's actually smelled these products, you'll know all the products are beautifully smelling, but these actually really, really, really smell healthy. So they have a facial wash, they have an oil, they have a day cream and a night cream in this range at the moment. For those of you who don't know about oils, you might be thinking, oh my god, I'm not putting any oils on my skin. I was the same, especially with having oily combination skin that's prone to spots, but it's really, really healthy oil. It's not a bad oil for your skin. So what you can do is you can wash your face and then tone with any appropriate toner. And then before you pop on your day cream or your night cream, you can pop a little bit of oil onto your skin and it's just beautiful. It really, really is. I hope some of you come and have a Superfood facial with us because it really does make your skin feel absolutely beautiful and clean. I truthfully don't use the oil with the day creams. I tend to use an oil a bit more with the night cream if I'm going to use it, because I just think your skin needs a little bit more replenishing at night. So if you're starting out with any sort of creams, you don't know where to begin, try and stick with the basics then. So a face wash, then an appropriate toner for your skin. You should always tone, then use a day cream, and then your night cream and your oil together. Hope that makes sense. So that's the cute little Superfood range that ELEMIS do.